Hi everyone, here we've got OUKITEL WP5 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it just by tapping on the square icon if you've got the navigation bar just like me. But if you've got the gestures, all you have to do is simply swipe your finger up very gently and hold it somewhere here. But let me use my navigation bar and tap on the square icon, and as you can see we just simply entered the recent. So here we've got all previously opened apps. If you'd like to turn off only one of it, all you have to do is simply find it and swipe it up just like that. But you can turn off all of them just by tapping on this X button in the middle. We just got back to the home page. Here we've got the info that some memory has been released, so let's enter the recents and check. And here we've got no recent items, so it means that we successfully closed all running apps. So actually that's all. This is how to close background apps in your OUKITEL WP5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.